Just one day to the extraordinary summit between the governors and the head of state, eyebrows have been raised on where the country will stand in the next 48 hours on the COVID-19 containment measures, many fearing cessation of movement will be reintroduced due to the spike in COVID-19 cases in the country. According to the statistics from the Ministry of Health, in just 3 days, from the 23rd of July to the 25th of July, Kenya has recorded a total of 1,838 positive cases, a massive surge compared to the beginning of the pandemic, where it took Kenya over 2 months to hit the 1,745 mark from the first case of COVID-19 on the 15th of March to the 29th of May. Backing up the theory of an increase in the transmission of COVID-19 due to the reopening of the country, the total number of COVID-19 cases in the country has doubled from 8,067 cases on the 6th of July to 16,643 cases today. And despite the Ministry of Health continually appealing to Kenyans to follow the set guidelines in order to flatten the curve, the appeal seems to be falling on deaf ears. As the ministry now says, the indiscipline and the ignorance of Kenyans will factor in the decision of governors and the head of state come Monday, the 27th.
Kenyans cannot abide by this. I don't know what will come of the extraordinary summit, but it is quite disheartening, and we are noting this also as a ministry and as a government. It is quite disheartening. Restaurants were opened so they could sell foods and open up the economy, but those restaurant owners have turned those restaurants into bars. So if those restaurants are closed tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, they have asked for that closure. I don't know what decision will be made, but the note has been taken of this misconduct of restaurant owners. And I would urge the decision makers to take very stern action against those contravening these laws.
And even as the recommendations on the direction the country should take in battling the pandemic, laying with the governors from the 47 counties, there are signs of a lack of consensus among the governors as the extraordinary summit was postponed from Friday the 24th to Monday the 27th. And as Kenyans anxiously await the 10th presidential COVID-19 address, it is clear that there is need for Kenya to make a well-calculated step towards containing coronavirus that is slowly but surely bringing not only Kenya but the world to its knees. For TV47, I'm Zainab Mohammed.